Hello and welcome to Car and Bike. This is the TVS Apache RTR 160 4V Special Edition. It comes right in time for the festive season and comes with a lot of upgrades. What are they? Let's tell you all about it. Now the big update on the new TVS Apache RTR 160 4V is of course the new headlamp. You get a nice mustache kind of a LED DRL over here instead of the eyebrows that you saw earlier, and that really makes this a nicer face than it was before. Something we expect to see on the 200 4V as well. But with the special edition, you also get a lot of new upgrades. Primary of course is the new matte black paint color. Now TVS calls it night black, and it's a nice matte finish with the red dual contrast. And that looks really nice in my opinion. What you also get are of course the red alloy wheels, fantastic looking, nice contrast on the bike, and for somebody who wants something special, this is quite nice package. Completing that look of course is the new seat upholstery as well. Now it has a red and black finish as well, looks really nice, goes with the entire tone, and this of course is specific to the special edition. If you get the standard version, you also get three new other colors, the matte red and the matte blue, and of course the black here. And finally, when it comes to the big updates, you have a new radial tire at the rear, better grip, better traction, and better life as well, and that makes this a better package than before. Of course, that will be a standard feature, the color isn't. Now the Apache RTR 160 4V isn't just about visual upgrades, it gets functional bits too, like the clutch and brake lever are now adjustable. You get 3-step adjustability over here, which is something fantastic and we've seen on more expensive motorcycles. You also get 3 riding modes, that's Sport, Urban and Rain. Now that's a direct lift from the 200 4V. In the Sport mode, it makes about 17 brake horsepower, 14.7 Newton meters of peak torque. In the Urban and Rain mode, that goes to 15 brake horsepower and 14.1 Newton meters of peak torque. Now this of course remains one of the best motorcycles in the segment in terms of handling, performance, and with the new upgrade, it only gets better. The new TVS Apache RTR 160 4V Special Edition is priced at 1,21,000 rupees. Compared to the standard top spec variant, that's about 1,000 rupees more expensive, and when you compare both variants, this is actually quite a good value. Because at about 1,000 rupees, you get a special paint scheme, and almost every other feature on the motorcycle is standard, be it the adjustable levers, the new riding modes, or the radial tire. And of course, that new LED headlamp. We expect that headlamp to come on the 200 as well later, and overall, it makes the 160 a better package than it always was. What do you think about the new 160? Let us know in the comment section below.